So public class form 1 is kaning nga line kay nag-represents the main form of the application. Then next is the private sub button 1. Kaning sender as object handles button 1 click. Kani kay kaning nga line kay ika-click nimo sa 7 nga button kay mo display siya sa text box. Mao ni ang button 1 which is ang number 7. So private sub button 2 click sender as object is kaning nga line kay ika-click nimo sa 8 nga button kay mo display siya sa text box. Mo ni ang button 2 which is ang number 8. So until maabot siya sa kanang 0, same ra jud ang iyang process. So next is kaning if text display the text kaning nga line kay iyang i-check if ang text box kay kuan na not empty, then dim number as double. If ang text box daw kay not empty, iyang i-convert ang text box to a numerical value, then dim result as double. Kaning after nimo ma-process ang numerical value from the text box is ang kaning nga line kay mo calculates og number by multiplying it by 1. So text display that text result that to string after calculating the negation, ang kaning nga line kay iyang i-display sa text box with the result. So next is private sub button 12. Same ra jud ni siya sa katong i-explain ako sa katong button 7 ug 8 na if kanang ang i-click nimo sa kanang 7 nga button kay mo display siya sa text box, mo na ang button 1 which is ang number 7. Same ra jud sila og process ato siya. Then mo dito ta sa label 1.text equals text display that text. Kaning nga line kay i-display sa text box ang na-input nimo nga kanang property sa label 1 rather. Next is label 2.text equals quotation, then nakasulod ang plus. Kaning nga line kay iyang iset ang text sa label 2 ug kanang plus operation to be performed is addition. And then text display.text equals kani kay iyang i-clear ang text nga naka-display sa text box. So let's proceed. So if label 2.text equals plus, this line checks if the text ay stored siya sa label 2. So indicating addition operation that text display.text equals 1. So label 1.text equals kaning nga line kay clears the text stored in label 1 after using it as the first operand for the arithmetic operation. Label 2.text. So label 1.text, this line clears the text stored in label 1 after using it as the first operand for the arithmetic operation. So label 2.text, this line sets the text stored in label 2 to equals to indicate the calculation is complete and the result is displayed. So else if label 2.text, this line checks if the text stored in label 2 is indicating division operation. So if while text display.text, this line checks if the value in text display.text, the second operand, is not equal to 0 to avoid division by 0 error. Then text display.text while label 1.text, if the condition is met, this line performs the division operation using the values stored in label 1.text. So the dividend and text display.text, the divisor. The result is then assigned to text display.text. So label 1.text equals. This line clears the text stored in label 1 after using it as dividend for the division operation. So label 2.text equals. This line sets the text stored in label 2 to equals para ma-indicate ang calculation is complete and the result is displayed. So if text display.text, this line checks if the text display text box is not empty. Vim number as double equals val text display.text. If the text box is not empty, this line converts the text box in the text display text box to a numerical value of type double using the val function. Then if number less than or greater than to 0, after obtaining the numerical value from the text box, this line checks if the value stored and number is not equal to 0. So the result as double. If the value of the number is non-zero, this line calculates the reciprocal of the number by dividing 1 by the value of number. So text display text equals result to that toString. After calculating the reciprocal, these lines updates the text displayed in the text display text box with the result. So else, if the value of number is 0, indicating a division by 0 scenario, this line initiates the execution of code inside the else. So text display.text equals error, division by 0. Inside the else block, this line sets the text of the text display text box to error, division by 0.